Jay applies for a car loan, and the interest rate is way higher than he expected. So he checks his credit score, because that number can affect what lenders offer you. Think of your credit score like a trust score. Many scores range from about 300 to 850, and you can have more than one score depending on the model. Here's what shapes it: payment history, how much you owe, how long you've had credit, new applications, and your mix of accounts. The biggest move? Pay on time, every time. Set autopay or reminders so you never miss. Next, keep credit card balances low compared to your limit. A simple target is staying under 30% utilization. And don't spam applications. Too many new checks can hurt. Also, older accounts can help your score, so think before you close your oldest card. Do this today. Turn on autopay, pay a balance down, and apply less often. Small moves now, cheaper rates later. This is educational only, not financial advice.